I'm Travis, and welcome to my closet. Today we're going to be reviewing Coach face masks. I've got one here wrapped up for a friend of mine, but we're going to open it and do a comparison. First, let me show you the one I've got on. It has a star pattern, a burnt orange color, and a unicorn here. Now, the fun part, opening presents. Here we go. This is a very beautiful one with the signature Coach Tyrannosaurus Rex on it. Oh, the wrapping is childproof. Okay. Here is this one. It has a floral design. It is a light blue, and on the back we have a navy blue. And it's got the Tyrannosaurus signature. Here, there's little pull tabs. So I believe it's adjustable. So let's find out. Yes, it is fully adjustable. That is a great addition to this product. Just be careful, because I'm afraid if you pull it off of the edge, there's nothing stopping it. And I do not foresee being able to get this back on without quite a bit of work. So, without cutting my fingers, let me rip off the tag. Oh, there goes my glasses. I'll explain here in a second why my glasses came off with the mask. It's actually a little life hack I figured out through the process of wearing these masks. It comes a little down, but you can see there's folds in it, and it will unravel to the shape of your face. So, let's get this one open and on. And you can see here that is quite a beautiful mask. Now, I was hoping Coach would have their signature logo on the mask. I went to Kate Spade. They were sold out of theirs, but they were able to show me some of the examples. And theirs were just plain white with a floral. And I went to Michael Kors, and Michael Kors does not have currently any masks whatsoever. But that life hack I was telling you about is I had the most trouble with keeping my glasses on. Up here, it makes it slippery. And when you put your glasses on, first of all, they fog up right away. So you've got to learn a new way to breathe. And it's kind of like blowing down through your upper lip, or yeah, even when I breathe through my nose. I don't know. Such is life. This is not the end of the world. But I will look down to demonstrate, and my glasses immediately fall down. So when you're walking through the store trying to see what you're trying to see, you're going to be losing your glasses over and over and over. So if what you do is you take the strap, you put your glasses back on, and you wrap the strap around your glasses. So I'll do that on the other side real quick. And you're just tucking them up in there. Now, they are a lot more secure. They're not going anywhere. Does not cut down on the fog. However, if you're having trouble keeping your glasses on with these masks, or any type of mask, try just wrapping it around. Now, I've done it with just one ear only. It held up pretty well. But at that point, I was like, let's just do both. Now, taking off your glasses is still pretty much as easy. However, you can see now one of my giant Dumbo ears got folded down, so it takes a little bit of adjustment to get them correct. Not the end of the world. Thank you for tuning in, and please stay to the end for a conversation on what the cost and price of these masks are and what Coach is doing with the extra proceeds. All right, I'm Travis, and thanks for hanging out in my closet. Thanks for staying tuned. I would like to discuss what Coach is doing with the face mask net profit. It says here, stay safe, Coachies. With every face mask purchased, 100% of the net profit will be donated to Feeding America to provide meals to communities across the U.S. Learn more at feedingamerica.org. And I think that this is a very generous contribution from Coach. Normally, as I discussed the other day in my reviews, I don't like to go over the price, but as far as I can tell, they're $18 to $20, depending if you buy them online or in store. And the net profit of that, which means everything that they would have been putting in their pockets, is going straight to Feed America. And I'm really happy to support that. I cannot say that I'm not excited to be able to wear my Coach mask around, but at the same time, being a part of helping out and during this time in this pandemic, it's a good feeling. So they're selling out pretty fast. My favorite one was already sold out when I went to look for it at my local Coach store. And online, they're out of the blue with stars, and it's called Sharky. But I'll leave a link down below where you can find feedingamerica.org. Most importantly, if you want to donate some for the cause. But I'll also leave a link to Coach's masks, and you can read about them yourselves. Hopefully find one that suits your style or desire. And let's work together on this one, people. Thank you so much. Thanks for hanging out in my closet. Say goodbye, Gunner. Alright, bye, guys. You little monkey. You little monkey. Did you climb up here? You know I'm recording.